Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Just Relax here. We're here in Portugal and today we have decided to stop by a supermarket which is one of the best in Europe and in Portugal, of course. This is a French supermarket called Leclerc, and one of the biggest one in fact. And we have stopped by to buy some fruits, vegetables and food stuff for our dinner tonight. So, as you can see on this table right now, we have some pomegranates, very big ones, very huge ones. They are my two hands, and I'll tell you, my hand is big, but this is even bigger. And the other guy is even much bigger, okay? So, we have mango here, local product, Portugal, and we have lemons. And lemons smell, Jesus Christ, all of them are organic. Everything is organic. In Portugal, everything is organic, okay? Very natural. Next, we have purchased some cheese, local cheese. Local, I mean European, Portuguese, whatever. And since this store is the French store, so this says something in French, fromage blanc. So it's a very nice cheese, and the taste of it is between the sour cream and the Greek yogurt. In the middle, not one, not the other, but in the middle, mixture. Very tasty, very nice, somewhat sour, but you can use it for anything you want. And it's very natural. You can see here Eco Plus, which means ecological. Very nice, very good product. Okay, the same thing. Fromage blanc is this stuff, which is that one by the way is 1 kilogram, which is 2.2 pounds, and this is 1.1 pound, and this is the fromage blanc, but this has some very tasty and lovely ingredients like fruits and vegetables and very nice and tasty stuff. Okay, so berries and other things. Over here we could see berries. Okay, very lovely, very good. Another type of cheese here we have found. Yeah, of course we have it in America, but over here it's almost in every store. Not almost, in every supermarket, and they have 8, 9 supermarkets here. So it's queijo fresco, which means the fresh cheese, and it's made from the milk of the goats and from the milk of the sheep. Very nice, very clean, no extra ingredients. You eat it, you enjoy it, and you understand that life is good. Also, we have got some meat products. I mean, Portugal is very famous for meat. We will get back to the fish, but right now we are talking about the meat. So we got this one. It's like fumed and dried ham. It's called presunto in Portugal, and it's cut very thinly, and you can use it for any occasion, any bite, any snack, whatever you wish. Also, these sausages very thin, so it's probably what one bite and a half, something like that. So you will like this. 10 snacks. Okay, that's what it said. Very lovely. And this sausage is like smoked, and it's salami type, and we can see, and you can see, it's like salami and nothing more than that, but it's very tasty, very well cooked and very nice. Okay, so this is the good stuff. Next is the product which you can use to cook something very quickly, like cake or some additional snack, but sweet snack, and it's called pastry. It's very thin, it's already ready to be cooked. You just open it up, fill it with stuff, put into the oven, 10 minutes, boom, done deal. Okay, so this is what it is. Another thing is it says here, macaronette. It's like pasta, like we know with pasta or macaroni and all this stuff. So very nice, natural, and again eco. Very friendly, very ecological, good stuff, clean stuff. Okay, we put it here. So next one is the cookie, dried cookie, but with sugar cookie, and instead of sugar they use honey, eggs, and the flour. Jesus Christ, this is so nice, you will love it. We'll put it here. Also we have some kind of French stuff called truffa. I guess it's truffles or something French. You know, in Portuguese it's truffa, in English it's truffle, in French I don't know, truffele or something. So, very tasty, chocolatey, cacao, everything together. Mwah! We'll put it here. And also, if we are eating something, we have to drink something, which is 1.5 liter. 1.5 liter. It's probably 22 pounds of water. A little bit gassed and also is a little bit sweet, just a little. And this fine, suitable Muscatel. It's Muscatel from Portugal, made in Setúbal, one of the best wines, Muscatel wines in Europe. And I know in America that we have it, but this is very natural. No any extra ingredients, but pure stuff. Okay, you come here, taste it, everything, and at the very end, like the cherry on the top, you have cherry cake, cherry pie, whatever you call it, just for two, cherry on the top, just the way we know it. And what can I say? We stopped by to buy all this stuff, and my wife says, "Oh, we'll get this and that and that." And I said, "How much will it cost?" And he says, "It's only 22 bucks. 22 bucks? You're kidding me?" But then I said, "Okay, for 22, I can get it." Very nice stuff, very tasty, natural, and all organic. So, guys, if you have any questions, please come back to our channel, subscribe, and our review is for this stuff is ended right now. Furthermore, we will have some fish and other ingredients and other food stuff from Portugal, but you will love it. I know everybody who is here from France, United Kingdom, Netherlands, Sweden, everyone is in here in Portugal. They love these things. They're here. And wines, oh Jesus Christ. So contact us, subscribe, and all the best to you and your families. We'll see you here. But ask us questions, we'll answer.